Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Bash script. Today we are going to learn how I can schedule recurring tasks within a Bash script. You can schedule recurring tasks in a Bash script using the Cron utility, which is a time-based job scheduler. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please to like, share, and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first, we have to edit the cron file with the help of the cron tab -e. So let's go and check Crontab -e for the cron jobs. Okay, so here we have that one. Okay, so next define the schedule. Okay, each line in the cron tab file represents a task to be run at a specific time. Okay, so this is the other asterisk signs. Okay, the five asterisks denote the schedule in the following order: minutes, first one is minute 0 to 59, hour, the second one 0 to 23, day of the month 1 to 31, and the month 1 to 12. Okay, and the last day of the week, that is 0 to 6, with 0 being Sunday. So you can schedule like this. Okay, specifying the recurring frequency. To set a recurring schedule, you can use asterisk for the time parameters you want to run on your script. For instance, to run a script every day at the 8 a.m., you have to use like this. Okay, so I'm going to make it like the every minute it will run. So I make it as this is for the every minute. Okay, so I'm just going to add this into our code bin bash. So let's see every minute is adding or not. So let me check this one, and I think I have the code of that one. Just there is something date. So here we go with this is not that one. I don't think so where it is written. I don't know. So let's make it paste. Okay. So bin bash, we don't require this here. So here we have a running at the path to your log file. So here give me, I need to make a path of that one. So let me go and check the path. So here we have the log file is there. Log file is not there. So let's create the log file.log. So here we go with the terminal control X touch log file.log. Okay, let's make this one, and here we have the control L to give the path of that one. Okay, so here we have the path to the log file. Okay, and let's add this task over here. We have to add this one, this path to your script.sh. So I need to just comment this one. So here we have already added the test bash script, so I need to just remove this one. Okay, so here we have a control A, enter, control X, just run this one. Or we don't require, it automatically runs. Okay, and check, we have to check the log file what it is written over here. So here we go with the log file. So here you can see the 63 bytes already there. So it's running daily task to Tuesday 12 December 2023 8:38. Okay, let's see the next 1 minute what it is written over here. It's 8:38:01, right? On the 8:39 it will refresh. Okay, so let's wait 1 minute more. So according to it you can set the cron job accordingly, whether you go with the minute, hours, or particular date time 8 a.m. or 1 p.m. So you can just replace this asterisk according to it. Okay, so let's see. It's 8:38, 1 minute. I think I have made the 1 minute cron job with the all asterisk. So it's 8:39, it's done. You can see automatically the log is updated over here. You can see that, right? I don't need to do anything. That means cron job is running successfully, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.